Alright, we got the FN509. These guys are in my home state. They're in Columbia, South Carolina. We're a couple hours away. But we're going to disassemble this for cleaning, and then we're going to reassemble it. Now, this one we've got to align the, first of all, we've checked it. Magazine's clear. Nothing down in the chamber. So we're good to go. But this one we've got to align this up, this little notch right here. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that slide back, and it lines it up for me. So I'm going to take this and turn it clockwise all the way down. We're going to go all the way down. Now I'm going to release the slide, pull the trigger, pull it off. That's all you have to do to this one. This is fully disassembled as far as the frame for your basic cleaning. Most of you are not ever going to go past that. Now, this one's got dual recoil spring and rod on here. It's a little different than a lot of them, but if you look at it, it's set down on that second step, not the first one right there. The first one is more of a seating, a beveled seating, but the second step is where we're going to set it on when we put it back together. So we're going to push forward, up, hold on to it, up and out, and this is what your spring. Now remember, the small part goes to the rear, the larger part goes to the front. Remember that when you're putting it back together. So we're going to push this, we're going to pull up a little bit, forward, and then out. And that is completely disassembled for cleaning, so now we can go clean it, and we can come back and we can put it back together. Hey, if this video has helped you out any, please go ahead at this point and like and subscribe to our channel. This helps the algorithms, so other people, if they're looking for this particular gun or different gun to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning, it helps them see it on YouTube. So if you would, just do us a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. If this has helped you out some, we'd really appreciate that, because it would help a lot of other people. Thanks. Alright, now we're going to put it back together. So that large hole down in there, we're going to take the barrel, put down in the barrel hole, slide it forward, pull it back, make sure it seats. It is seated. Now this one, muzzle does stick out a little further than some, so that's correct. It's seated all the way back, it can't go any further. Now we're going to take the spring, remembering the large portion goes toward the front. We're going to put the spring down in the big hole, the big spring hole. We're going to start it down that way. Now we're going to, this one has kind of the ramp right there, so you just start pushing forward and you push it down on its little step down in there. So now it's seated properly down in there, and it doesn't go even halfway onto the step. You can kind of see it from here. It's not even halfway on there, but that is properly seated, so it doesn't go all the way down on. It's got a little bevel down in there that the round part sits in, and this is properly assembled for the slide. Now we're going to take these notches, your little notch here and your little notch there, and this one starts right there, these little wings right there. That's what's going to start in the notches, so we can just kind of see it, sit it right here, start it. You see how that went in? See if you can see that. See, it went in right there. Now we're going to pull back, lock the slide, and we're going to push counterclockwise right here, and it just flips back. Once it's flipped, we can drop that slide, rack it, and we're good to go. It's ready for loading and doing some shooting. This is the FN509. Thanks for checking out our video. If you would, if you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.